Hi guys, this is Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service with the National College of Ireland, and in this short video, another video in my series of videos dealing with Excel basics, we're going to look at how to remove duplicate rows. Okay, so that's where we have particular rows within an Excel sheet. Okay, where the entries across the row repeat somewhere else within the sheet. Just maybe to make this a little bit simpler, I'm just going to actually just copy these two columns here, region and rep. Okay, I'm going to just copy them. I'm just going to go to a new data set, and I'm just going to paste them in here into this data set. Maybe I'll just make them a little bit bigger so that we can actually see what's going on here. Actually, this particular data set, I should mention, I've actually just taken this from, it's a sample data set, and it's off the site Contextures. Okay, so I should give them credit, for that particular data set. But within this video, what I want to do is I want to remove duplicates. So, for example, East Jones, region, the rep, so Jones, Servino, Gill, Jardine, these are all reps that work for a particular company, and they work within particular regions. And you can see that East Jones occurs a number of times. So what I want to do is I want to remove duplicates. I just want the unique names and regions with respect to this particular list of employees and the regions that they work in. This is actually straightforward to do. Actually, let me get rid of the blanks first of all, so I'll make this a little bit more compact. And I did that in the last video. So I'm just going to highlight these columns. I'm going to go to the Edit menu. Okay, and I'm going to go to Find and go to the Go To option. I'm going to choose Special, and I'm just going to click Blanks. That's going to identify all the blanks in them two columns, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete them. Okay, let's just shift the cells up. So now here's my data set. So within this data set now, this is slightly modified with the blanks removed, I want to identify all of the unique values. So I want to remove the duplicates. Okay, there's a function that's available to us in the data ribbon. Okay, so here's our ribbons: home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data. There's a function available in the data ribbon, and it's called remove duplicates. Okay, there used to be another way to do this through the menu and go through functions, but it's actually available now on the ribbon for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually highlight these two columns, okay, and I'm going to say remove duplicates, okay, and it's going to ask me, in this case it's asked me the columns that I want to remove the duplicates from. So I've selected all here, so actually I don't have to, I can just say I want to remove duplicates in column C, but actually I want duplicates across column C and D. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit OK on that, okay, and there you go. So what it did was it just removed the duplicates and gave me the unique listing of the rep names followed by the regions that they're in, okay. Maybe we're interested in, okay, let's say the region, the rep's name, and the item that they sold, whether it's a pencil, a binder, and so on. So what are the unique things that particular reps have been selling? So maybe I'll just copy this out of here. I'll just put that into this particular data set here, or to this sheet, and let me actually just remove the duplicates again. So I'm going to say remove the blanks, edit, find, go to. What I'm going to do here, let's go to Special. I'm going to remove the blanks. So the blanks are gone. Well, it's identified the blanks, and now if I right click and delete my blanks, shift cells up, that's good, my blanks are gone. So I want to remove the duplicates now in this particular list. Okay, so Jones from the East Coast sold a pencil. Let's see, there's Jones from the East Coast sold another pencil. Okay, so I just want to know that Jones sold a pencil. So what I need to do is I need to highlight them three columns, and I need to say remove duplicates. And once again, I'm spanning across. The duplicates are anything across the three columns that are repeated down the rows. So I'm going to hit OK on that. And now what we have is, well, it tells us 22 duplicate values found and removed. There's 29 unique values remain in this particular data set here. Okay, so as you can see, once again, it's actually quite handy or quite straightforward to remove duplicate rows within an Excel sheet by using the remove duplicates function that can be found within the data ribbon. Okay guys, once again, this was Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland, and I hope that this video was in some way intuitive, and more importantly, I do hope that was helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.